Pastor Chris Oyakhilome, also known as Pastor Chris, is a renowned Nigerian pastor, teacher, healer, author, and television host. Through his ministry, he has impacted the lives of millions, spreading the message of Jesus Christ's love and redemption. Born on December 7, 1963, in Edo State, Nigeria, Pastor Chris was raised in a Christian household. His religious upbringing played a significant role in shaping his life and eventually led him to establish his own ministry, Believers Love World Incorporated, also known as Christ Embassy. What stands out about Pastor Chris is his charismatic personality and powerful preaching style, which resonates with people from various backgrounds. His ability to connect with his audience and deliver profound spiritual truths in a relatable manner sets him apart from many other preachers. Pastor Chris has dedicated his life to spreading the gospel's message, emphasizing the importance of faith, love, and the power of the Holy Spirit. He strongly believes in the supernatural ability of God to transform lives and bring about miracles. Through his teachings, he encourages believers to not only have faith, but also develop a deep personal relationship with God. Moreover, Pastor Chris is also known for his healing ministry, where he has been instrumental in the healing of countless individuals from various illnesses and ailments. His teachings on divine healing and the power of spoken words have inspired many to have faith in God's healing power and experience supernatural breakthroughs in their health. In addition to his ministry work, Pastor Chris is an author of several best-selling books, including Rhapsody of Realities, a daily devotional guide that has been translated into over 1,000 languages. His books cover a wide range of topics, from faith and prayer to relationships and success, providing practical guidance for living a purposeful and fulfilled life. Furthermore, Pastor Chris utilizes modern technology to reach a vast audience worldwide. Through his television network, Love World, and his online platforms, he broadcasts his teachings and healing services to millions of viewers across the globe. This enables him to impact lives on a global scale and bring hope to countless individuals who may not have access to a physical church or the opportunity to attend his live events. However, Pastor Chris has also faced his fair share of controversies and criticisms over the years, particularly regarding his teachings on prosperity and the alleged misuse of funds within his ministry. Despite these challenges, his followers remain steadfast, attesting to the positive impact his teachings and ministry have had on their lives. In conclusion, Pastor Chris Oyakhilome is a remarkable figure in the Christian community, with a profound ability to communicate the message of God's love and healing power. His charismatic personality, healing ministry, best-selling books, and use of technology have made him a well-known and influential figure in the field of ministry. Whether it be through his teachings, healing services, or books, Pastor Chris continues to inspire millions and bring hope to those in need.